Alright, and here is the desk fully assembled. Please don't mind my cords. Eventually I'll do cord management. I bought the 55-inch model, I believe it is. You see I have two 24-inch monitors, 13-inch laptop, plenty of room on here. This is a close-up of the controls. If you can see, it's a little dim in here. And there's even a hook on either side that you can put your headphones like I use for my work, or to hang a bag or whatnot. Desk is awesome. It doesn't make a whole lot of noise. There it is going up. Don't even know if you can hear that. I use the preset button. Of course, it counts to inches over here. Also underneath, there is a cord management box that you can use. Pretty handy. Maybe I'll manage my cords eventually. And that's the desk. And then to go back down, select my other preset. And there it goes. It moves at about a good speed. Great desk. And as far as that seam, don't know if you can see it. There it is right here. It's not that bad. The desk is textured anyway, so it's not a smooth surface to begin with. Alright, hope you enjoy.
Hello, so I just finished putting this together. It took me about an hour and a half to assemble the desk, and then maybe just another half hour to put it in place and organize all my stuff. So I'll show everyone. Give me a second. I'll show you how it moves. So right now I have it at a seating height, and I already preset my buttons, so all I have to do is press the button for my standing height that I customized it to. It's pretty quiet. I don't think it's slow or fast. I just think it moves at a decent speed. It's really smooth. I like it, and it fits a lot of stuff. You can see all my junk. So, yep. I also like the fact that it has this cord organizer to hold them all there, so that way there's not a bunch of cords hanging down below. It looks messy when you actually see it, but if you're sitting or even standing, you don't notice it. So yeah, it just gets rid of a bunch of the cord mess. I like it. I would recommend. I do recommend.
So this is the new desk. This is in the down position. I just pull a chair up under it, and then I just hit this little button over here because I have a preset, and it just moves up to the height that I like to stand at. Best purchase I've made in a very, very long time.